Okay, it's Pete from the Small Business Resource Center and Philly Metro Commercial Real Estate. That's phillymetrocre.com. I'm going to do a preview of this property. The purpose is to get a quote from contractors. I have a buyer. They want to improve the property to maximize the value. So I'm going to explain a couple things. First of all, this is the main entrance. This is considered a 2-unit. Easily can be converted into a 3-unit or maybe even 4 or more. The reason this is the main entrance right here, it is a corner property, keep that in mind. This would be the second entrance. In the second entrance, there's a hall, which you'll see. Second entrance then enters the first floor. If you want to enter that floor, goes to the second floor. Second floor is a bedroom, bathroom, bedroom, and like a master suite kind of. If you see this, it's a bedroom, and then somebody turned this into like a walk-in closet. Don't 100% like the layout, and the potential new buyer also doesn't like that layout, but I'm just explaining it to you. And then the whole idea is this is a 1-bedroom apartment. So it's pretty nice size for what it is, being a 1-bedroom apartment. In the back, there's a little courtyard, which is set up like, I should say, a patio and an outdoor bathroom. Keep in mind, a long time ago, the owner said, of course, this property didn't have electricity. So that means a lot of things were done by gas. So an outdoor bathroom was actually a common thing a long time ago. They only use it in the spring, summer, fall. In the winter, they winterize it. What the owner was thinking about doing, or a potential new owner, is turning this into a 1-bedroom apartment and then having access to the basement. The basement actually used to be a in-laws quarters, but they haven't used it in a very, very long time. Turning this into potentially 2 different apartments. And then, of course, this would be another apartment. So this could potentially be a large 1-bedroom, maybe 2 apartments, 3, that would be 4, and then 5 in the basement, potentially. So the one thing I want to note is one of the repair requests would be a walk-in for the basement. The walk-in is already right here, so I just want to make note of that. That is a flat cellar door. I don't think you're going to get a permit to extend this any further because if you look, of course, the sidewalk, this is already taking up a space which is normal. And if you're trying to extend it further or make it different, it's probably not going to happen. So it already does have an access door for the cellar, so that doesn't need to be done. So what we got to focus on is some of the other repairs, and I'm going to show you the video, and let's play the video. So we're going to give a little preview here so you can see the walls. It looks like wallpaper.
Yeah, wallpaper.
Yep. And, you know, one fixture here.
And these are like 10 foot something.
Yeah, it looks more than 10. It looks like 12 foot.
Yeah, 12.
They're nice. Okay. So, okay. Oh, this goes upstairs, the other unit? Okay. So usually you can use that too. And this is a bathroom. Bathroom looks great. That's nice. Recently remodeled, it looks like, so probably doesn't need anything here.
Well, we just put that in about.
Okay.
That's about almost 5 years now.
Okay, carpet floor here. And this is wallpaper again here.
Yeah.
Okay, tile. Nice. The tile looks nice, even though it's older. Got a crack.
Well, let's
Linoleum floor. Okay, this drop ceiling. So maybe could use some new drop ceiling, but
oh yeah.
cabinets don't look too bad. I usually don't like to videotape people unless you want to be videotaped. But, okay, just so we can get a good idea. And the cabinets are kind of older, but
Oh yes.
they look good. Are they in good shape, would you
Oh,
say?
yeah.
Okay. So that's pretty nice.
Here's the yard.
Now, let me check the basement real quick.
You want the yard or?
Yeah, we'll
Here,
do that.
Take the yard first.
Yeah, so. All right. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so it doesn't look like anything needs to be repaired here.
No.
Stucco looks good.
There's a powder room.
Okay,
In the
okay.
summer, but in the winter,
Yeah.
it's my storage room.
No, I got it. A lot of old places like that. That gives you a nice outdoor area here. Okay, now I'm gonna check the basement real quick. Okay.
Be careful going down.
The light switch is right here. Okay. All right. Okay, this is wallpaper here.
Yes.
And normal whitewash. Okay. Oh, so this looks like it was almost like a living area down here.
What?
Almost like a living area or workshop.
Yeah, well, yeah, I built that for my mother
Okay,
when
nice.
she was living.
Okay.
It's operational, but
Yep. And we got the burner. Looks like it's in great shape.
it is.
Water heater looks like it's in great shape.
It's not the bathroom.
Uh-huh. Okay, bathroom with a shower. Okay. Not too bad. I mean, looks usable. Just needs a good cleaning. Fixtures.
Yeah, I don't know. We don't use that to shower.
Okay. So the fixtures were taken out. They could be
It's
installed.
operational.
Yep.
This nice.
Okay, nice. Good idea.
Turn the light on.
Okay. Nice. Good job. My dad made some wine once. Not quite this much. He only did a couple 5-gallon containers. Okay. Well, that's good feature.
Shut it off.
Oh yeah. Okay.
That's a school room.
So this is carpet
It's a,
in the separate entrance. We got a
the kitchen downstairs.
Okay, but you did the kitchen downstairs.
Oh,
and this is carpet here.
and that's a room on top of the kitchen.
Okay.
And
It's a small
1,
room.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11,
You all ready?
12, 13, 14, 15. 15. Yep. And this is the bathroom. Of course, this is tile. There's some
It's
broken
out on the third floor. Oh, that's my room.
tub. Kind of a nice design. Sink. Looks like about a 30-inch
Take pictures of this too?
radiator.
Is
You want to take pictures of this?
Oh no, I'm just getting this for the quote. So I'll be good. If you guys go, I'll go behind you, so then I won't have to. It'll make it so you can go a little quicker.
I usually lack a room.
Oh, okay. I'll get that one real quick then.
Except that was,
So that's old water damage. It's just a ceiling tile.
that's a,
Okay, this is carpet too, of course, and no damage. The walls look like they're in fairly good shape.
nice big room.
So. And here's steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 steps. This one has carpet too, but it looks like they had some remodeling done. And he said there were tenants here for a while and they left. And this got finished into like a walk-in bedroom. Okay, interesting. You might not have to do too much of this one. All right. Oh, I wasn't recording.
everything is functional.
Okay, so cabinets are functional, everything's fine. This does have a... Okay, we're looking at this here. Drip, so that could be replaced. This is carpet, heat. Okay.